Hi, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Ashton, and I work for the County of San Diego. We live in an increasingly digital world, and there are many applications and websites that can make your daily experiences more convenient and enjoyable. So today, I'm going to share with you a great free resource called Google Drive, and we will review how to navigate Google Drive on both your smart device and computer. Before we get started, feel free to follow along using your own device. Google Drive is accessible on both iPhone and Android devices and on your computer. You may also grab a pen and paper to take notes, and feel free to pause or rewind this video at any time. Lastly, with continued updates to Google Drive, what appears in this video may look somewhat different from what you see on your device. You can find the Google Drive app by searching on Google Play or the App Store. The app icon looks like this, so you know you have the right one. For Android devices, you can find it on Google Play, and for Apple devices, you can find it on the App Store. Once you have found the Google Drive app with this icon, tap to install the app on your device. Before we begin, make sure you are connected to a secure, private Wi-Fi network. Connecting to a public Wi-Fi network can put your private information at risk. A secure Wi-Fi network will have a symbol of a lock next to it. The first step I will walk you through is how to sign up. On both the mobile app and the website, start by entering your first and last name. If using the mobile app, click Next to proceed and enter more information. If using the computer, you do not have to click Next at this time. Next, if you are using the mobile app, you will be prompted to enter your birthday and gender. Once you have done this, click Next to proceed. If following along on the computer, you do not have to do anything for this step. Next, on both the mobile app and the website, you will be prompted to choose an email address. On the website, you will then be asked to create a strong password. A strong password contains more than 8 characters and can consist of a mix of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols such as a $sign or an asterisk. Then, on both the mobile app and the website, click Next to proceed. Now, on the mobile app, you will be prompted to create a strong password. On the website, you will be prompted to enter your phone number if you'd like, an alternate email to help recover your Google account if you lose your information, your birthday, and your gender. On both the mobile app and the website, click Next to proceed. Now that you've set up your new account, you can choose to personalize your account. On the mobile app, click the icon in the top right corner of your screen to show the menu. On both the mobile app and the website, click here to begin personalizing your account. On this screen, you can add personal information, such as your name and birthday, or change your password. You can also choose to add a photo to your account if you like. To do so, click the circle with your first initial on both the mobile app and the website. Now, we will navigate to the Google Drive homepage. On the website, click the dots in the top right corner of the screen to see options for where to go next. Then, on the website, click the colorful triangle that says Drive to go to Google Drive homepage. On the mobile app, click the X in the top left corner of the screen to return to the homepage. Now that you are on the home page, you can create files. On both the mobile app and the website, click the colorful plus buttons to create a new file. All files that you create will appear here. On the mobile app and the website, once you have clicked the plus button, you will be prompted to choose from a list of file types such as docs, sheets, slides, and more. We will walk through creating one of the most popular files, docs. This process will be similar for the other options. On both the mobile app and the website, click Google Docs to create a new Google Doc. A Google Doc is a document that you can use to write things like stories, letters, and lists. On the mobile app, when you click Google Docs, you will be prompted to download the Google Docs app from Google Play on Android devices or the App Store on iPhone devices. You must have this connected app installed to your device in order to create and edit Google Docs on your mobile device. Once you download the Google Docs app, you will be automatically logged into the app with your associated Google account through the Google Drive app. On the website, select the type of Google Doc you wish to create. You can choose to create a blank document or to use a template provided by Google. A template is a pre-designed page that already has elements like text and pictures that you can customize with your own text. Here is what it looks like when you have created a doc. You can also choose to upload a file to Google Drive from your device. On both the mobile app and the website, when you click on the colorful plus, you can choose to upload a file. Click here to upload a file from your device. You will be prompted to choose a file from anywhere on your device, like documents or pictures. Google Drive is a collaborative service, meaning you can share files with your friends and family. On the mobile app, to share a file, click on the three dots on the document you wish to share. This will bring up the menu. On both the mobile app and the website, click the button that says Share to share your document. Next, you will be prompted to type the name or email of the person you wish to share the file with. Once you have typed their information, choose the permission they have on the file. You can give them permission to edit the file, make comments on the file, but not make changes to the document, or simply view the file. Now that you are familiar with creating and editing files on Google Drive, you can explore the Account homepage to learn more about your account. Click here to get from the Google Drive homepage to the Account homepage. On the homepage, you can learn about account personalization, security, and more. Click on each tab to learn more. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has helped you comfortably get started using Google Drive to securely create, store, and share files. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other how-to videos. These videos were created to advance the Live Well San Diego vision for a region that is building better health, living safely, and thriving. Thank you, and continue to live well, San Diego.